Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and that's where I get to showcase all the beautiful things that you guys are working on, and I get to show off a little bit of the things that I'm working on and some of my LFOs. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm a little bit late getting my video out today. I apologize for that. I do like to get mine out a little earlier, but since I've been out of town, I was 6 days behind on my temperature blanket, and I'm working on 2 temperature blankets. So this morning I worked on that. I think I had I went ahead and did today too. So I had about 14 days that I had to work on when you combine the 2. But anyway, so I've got that taken care of. Go ahead and say, grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. I went to Buc-ee's in Leeds, Alabama, and I grabbed me this cup right here. And then here's the back side. I'm drinking my water for the day. So yes, I got that at my local Buc-ee's. I'm drinking water, and I think that this one, the flavor packet I put in it is peach mango. It is my favorite. Anyway, so that's what I'm drinking today. It is so good. So I did throw together a little video of a little bit of my trip on the road and things like that, and some of our stops. And so the comments that I've gotten from you guys from that video, I appreciate that. They were so cool, especially the ones that you guys said, hey, you just went through my state, or, you know, this is where I live and stuff like that. It was so cool because I went through 5 states in 9 hours. And so I just thought it was so cool to be able to read the comments of you guys telling me that that's where you're from and things like that. It was, I don't know, I loved it. So thank you guys for all the comments on that video. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this one. I am, like I said, working on my temperature blanket. This is a crochet along, so if you're not involved in it yet, it's not too late. Get involved. This is my first crochet along on my channel. So I'm calling this the 2025 temperature blanket crochet along. And I am caught up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like I said, I did work all morning on this. So, but that's where I'm at right now. And we are in the 70s. This is my 70s color. So I have this little packet. You may want to, this would help. I mean, it helps me having this in this. My sister Tanya gave this to me. And it has my colors with the 10-degree increments. And then in that bag, I also have a pencil, my crochet hook. I'm using a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and my scissors. And I'm doing this with the herringbone stitch. And I do have a link of how to do the herringbone stitch if you'd like to do that for your temperature blanket. And I chained 203 across. So, and then we have this year-long tracker. And you can print this and it will keep up with the days. Oh, and I have decided I am going to keep the black in between the months. So like this is January and this is February. So I am going to keep that black in there. I like it. So I just need to go ahead and weave that in because you guys know I do not like tails. Drives me nuts. And here is my other one. So one is for Bryant, Arkansas, and one is for Sherwood, Arkansas. The other crochet along that I have going on my channel is the mystery crochet book, Crochet Along. This so far is so much fun. Right now, we are in book 2, Dead Men Don't Crochet. I have links for these guys, and you can get this on the Kindle version from what I understand from a lot of the comments that you guys have left, that they do have the pattern and the recipe in the back on the Kindle versions, the audio version. So I don't know if it's, I guess it'd be both. If you get it, it'd be audio as well, you know, your Kindle. I guess that's how that works. Anyway, so I am purchasing the books, but I'm also renting them from my local library and listen to the audio version on them from my local library at a 1.5 speed because, yeah, that's the speed I like. Far is a scarf, and I'm working on that. Here it is. Or a shawl, I think they call it. I don't know. It looks more like a scarf to me, but we'll see. The first book was the Hooked on Murder. And it was granny squares. And I believe it's a 5 point, well, I have a 4.0. Oh, that goes with this one. I believe I used a 5 or 5.5 for this one right here. So anyway, so we are in book 2. It's not too late to join these. They're a lot of fun. You will enjoy the read. Trust me, guys. These are, I don't know. It's just, I feel more connected in these type of mystery books than any other mystery books I've ever read. And a lot of it's because it revolves around crochet and knitting. And so it's just, I don't know. It's just really cool to me. And I really think you guys will enjoy this as well. The other thing I want to show you guys is the crochet world. I got mine in. Isn't that pretty? Let me show you the back if you don't have this one. And this should be all the patterns that are in here. They look really good. Okay, here we go. There's some of the patterns in here. I think you guys will enjoy this one. I enjoy all of their magazines. But yeah, that's the Crochet World Spring 2025. And the last thing that I have to show you guys is I got my Annie's in. So let me see what that looks like on the inside here. I love my Annie's. Sorry about the crinkling. I'm gonna get it. Ah, there we go. All right, so let's see what we got in here. Okay, so far just paper. Okay, here we go. What do we have? Looks like either navy or black and white yarn. Oh, good. Ticking Stripe kitchen set. It is navy. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Oh, I definitely need these. Very nice. All right, I'll show you guys Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. So they have a crochet version and a knitted version. So that was crochet. Here is the knit. Right there. And then, of course, like I said, that's the crochet one. I thought there might be another picture in there, but there's not. Very nice, isn't it? They have, like when you sign into your account, you can see these the tutorials for these, and they have left and right-handed tutorials. So you guys will love that. All right, this looks like cotton yarn, a medium 4-weight. Yes, 100% cotton, yay! I need some white cotton. So it looks like we have like a navy and then 2 of the white. Very nice. I'm super excited over this. Yeah, very good. So anyway, I'll leave a link below if you're interested in joining this Hook and Needle Kit Club. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see what you are up to. Okay, here we have Jane's WIP cart. She says, hello, everyone. It's been a while since I posted my cart, and I just cleaned it out, so I figured this would be a good time to post it. She says at the top shelf are her cruising ducks. Hubby and I are taking a princess cruise out of Southampton, UK in April with one of her office mates. She said the middle shelf is support chickens that she's making into pin cushions for her Wednesday craft group. And the bottom shelf is the yarn for the ducks. Have a blessed day, everyone. Oh, that is so cool about the ducks. I'm going on another cruise in November. I'm going to have to make some ducks and sit them around the cruise. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you, Jane. Okay, here we have Patsy's WIP Caddy Wednesday. She said that she's almost done with her granny squares and that she will start sewing them together. And that this is the Sunburst Granny Square pattern using a 3-weight yarn. And the second picture is a Jada and Stitches hanging basket pattern using super bulky yarn. She says, enjoy the beautiful warm weather and bring on summer. Thank you, Patsy, so much for sharing with us. Okay, here we have what Tanisha's working on for her WIP Caddy Wednesday. She says, hello, friends. Hope you're having a terrific week so far. This is my Mountain Ridge textured crochet shawl by Winding Road Crochet using ice yarns, using the colorways Vivid Wood and a little soft chain wool. Well, Tanisha, that is beautiful. I love those colors. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, here we have what Amy is working on. She's got a couple of things that she's finished and a couple of that she's still working on. She has a chocolate bunny decor by Sorella using I Love This yarn and cinnamon for the bunny. The bear eyeglass holders using Caron 1-pound yarn hopefully turns a YouTube tutorial. Emotional support taco by Snuggable Stitches using Burnett blanket yarn. And bunny snuggler needs arms by Crochet 365 Knit 2 using Burnett blanket yarn. The Bestie Romper by Babes in the Wool using True Boo yarn. Still needs to weave in all the ends, but she wants to try it on the girls to make sure that it fits first. Well, Amy, everything is so beautiful. Thank you for sharing with us. Okay, now we have Doreen's WIP Wednesday. She said that for her high temp blanket, she's enjoying this crochet along so much. She's loving how the Red Heart Super Saver papaya color celebrates the birthdays in her family. The second pick is her start of the Ugly Scrap Corner to Corner from Pamela's pattern. She said once she figured out how many towels she wanted in each one, it clicked yes with her. She did, however, add the second half as she went rather than stitching them together to make one block. She said just her personal preference. She said it's warm out there this week, feeling better. God is good. Have a blessed week, Yarny friends. Well, you have a blessed week too, Doreen, and thank you for sharing those with you. I'm loving the Ugly Scrap blanket. Guys, you have some beautiful things. Thank you so much for sharing. I love it. I know you guys love it. I just want to say thank you for supporting me in my channel. All right, let's go ahead and do our little daily devotion. I will leave a link in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing your own daily devotional book like this. And so here's the front, there's the back, there's the side, and on the inside, it looks like this. There we go. I think it's just beautiful. Very modern looking. So that's the book that we are reading out of. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, it says relationships. Spend time with the wise and you will become wise, but the friends of fools will suffer. Proverbs 13:20. I like that. Humans were created for relationship. We are hardwired to want and need others. Because of our design, friendships are vitally important to our lives and also to our walk with God. And that is so true. It is a widely known fact that friends either bring us up or drag us down. Likewise, friends can either encourage or discourage us in our pursuit of godliness. As we seek counsel from our friends for the decisions we make in life, it is important that those friends are pushing us to follow Christ and not our own desires. Your friends have the power to lead you closer to God or push you away from Him. Surround yourself with people who will echo God's words to you rather than lead you off course with their advice. Elevate yourself to make sure you are being the kind of friend who will lead others closer to Christ by your influence and your advice. Wow, that is really good. That is so true. I needed that word today. So I hope that this word helps you with your daily walk with Jesus. All right, well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I just want to say thank you, guys, for all the support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes, comments, shares, and all the cool stuff that you guys do. I appreciate it very, very much. And I guess that's it. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.